Hi, I'm Jordan Shepard. You know, height adjustable tables, they're all over the place these days.
But we need a solution for when Rachel is sitting down and Josh is standing up. We're going to show you how to solve for this today with Burns height adjustable twine kits. Let's get started.
Okay, so I'm here with Michelle. She's our customer relations professional, and she's going to help us figure out what twine kit we need. Michelle, what info do you need from me?
Honestly, Jordan, there isn't a lot to figure out. The system works with a pair of tables, so all we really need to know are the lengths of the tables that you're working with and which desktop accessory that you want. The rest of the kit is standard.
Nice. All right, so thanks to Michelle, we've got the twine kit that we needed. This is. And Shane, can you talk us through what we're looking at here first?
Yeah, well, it's pretty straightforward. Over here we have our single power in feed,
Okay.
and then our discrete power that mounts underneath the desk, and then our accessory which mounts to the edge of the desk.
Perfect. So are we looking at saws and tables? What do we need to actually get this thing done?
Hardly anything. Besides what comes in the box, all you need are some screws and a drill.
Great. And we got to make sure our second piece of curly cord is right in between the two desks. That lets us go up and down easily. So and with that, we're done. Easy, right? You know we're always here to help, so don't hesitate to just give us a call anytime. Till next time.